Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can turn off or disable folders inside your connected inbox on Canary Mail in 2026, so let us guide you through it. So let me launch Canary Mail on my device, and as you can see I connected an inbox with my Canary Mail account with these example folders I created for the sake of these tutorials. So guys, let me disable this one. You can delete or disable any of these created folders. To do that, you'll need to navigate to the Preference tab here on the left panel. And after that, expand the Account section here, click into Personal, and here expand the Folders section. Next, what you want to do is expand either the main folders or the others. I assume your created folders, or in most cases, will be located in the other section, like for example these test folders. And it works the following way, guys. Here to the right, simply switch off the given folder. There you go, now it disappeared. And if I re-enable it back again, or that one here, these folders will appear. They will not be deleted. To delete this, you'll need to click into these three dots, select delete, confirm. And there you go, the folder has been removed. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.